Hello, my name is Isabella Fernandez, and today I'm going to be presenting to you on my travel diary, which is going to explain my recent trip in January where I was able to go to Europe and go to Barcelona, France, and Italy. So my first slide just shows some of my favorite parts in Barcelona, and here on the top left you'll see a picture of one of the basilicas that I was able to see, and just some of the pictures of the architecture throughout the city. I really enjoyed seeing Gaudi's architecture that was seen throughout the city and just really experiencing all the different types of architecture that I was able to see there. On the next page I have photos of Nice, France, and of Monaco. On the top left, that's a photo of Monaco, of the harbor over there where they have a lot of yachts, and there's a lot of wealthy individuals in that area, so there's like a lot more city life and a lot more metropolitan. On the top right photo you'll see a picture of Nice, of their farmers market, which I really enjoyed being able to see, and being able to see all the local foods and really experiencing the local culture. And then on the bottom left is also a statue that was in Monaco, which is in front of where the Prince of Monaco actually lives in. Then the middle photo is just a photo of the Arc that's in Nice, France, right before you're able to see the beach. On this slide, we actually have my favorite place where I was able to visit when I went to Europe. It's Cinque Terre, Italy, and there's basically a bunch of little cities next to each other, full of these beautiful terraces that are all multicolored, so you can see those on the top left, and they just overlook the Mediterranean Sea, which is really beautiful. And I really enjoyed seeing all the little alleyways that are filled with the boats, where we can see on the bottom left, and it was just really nice to see, especially during the winter time when the streets aren't very populated, because a lot of the local people who live there are actually away into their vacation homes, which are usually located away from the sea, so they go to the mountains. So these streets were actually very unpopulated when we were there. On this page we'll see pictures of Pisa, Italy, and Florence. I really enjoyed viewing the architecture here. They're all kind of monotone colors, like a lot of white and a lot of use of different marbles and granites and things like that. They were very intricate details, and I was really enjoyed seeing Pisa and going inside the church there. It was really beautiful to see. Also on the right hand side you'll see a photo of the church that was in Florence, Italy, kind of in their main city square. Florence, Italy was really cool to see. The architecture there was very similar to Pisa. And then on my last slide is the last city I was able to visit, which is Rome, Italy. I really enjoyed seeing the Colosseum there, which we can see on our top right, and seeing all the different ruins of the cities. On the bottom left there you see a picture of my feet. The reason why I took a picture of that is because that's those are the stones where Julius Caesar actually walked on. So I went ahead and took a picture of my feet. On the bottom right you'll see a picture of me throwing my coin into the Trevi Fountain, which I was very excited about. Rome, Italy was actually probably also maybe my second favorite city that I was able to visit, just because the ruins that you see just randomly throughout the city are very unique to the area, and it was just very different from all the other cities I was able to visit. It was really cool to be able to see how all this architecture still remains to its true potential. And yes, that concludes my travel diary. I was really fortunate to be able to travel throughout Europe and be able to be immersed into all the different cultures, and I really hope to be able to visit again someday. Thank you for listening, and have a good rest of your day.